Hello and welcome to English Bytes. In this video, we are discussing the word ability. Ability has 4 syllables. In British and American English, we pronounce it as ability, ability, ability. Ability means being good or skilled at doing something well. Abilities can include physical, mental, or emotional skills. For example, if you're good at running, you have the ability to run fast. It's just about being able to do things effectively. The example sentences are: Number 1. The teacher praised John for his writing ability. Number 2. Practice improves your ability to swim in water. Synonyms of ability are talent, skill, capability. The antonyms are weakness, lack, incapability. The word ability is a noun. Common preposition used with the word ability is of, and the other prepositions are in and to. Thanks for watching.